Hi, my name is Juno Keizer and I am a two-time NSCC alumni. In 2017, I decided to return to school to get my grade 12 diploma. I went to the adult learning program at the IT campus. From there, I went on to the Pathways to Shipbuilding program for African Nova Scotians at the Akerley campus. The shipyard is able to provide me with constant and consistent work that goes towards my apprenticeship hours. By the fall of 2023, I will be returning to the Akerley campus to start my Red Seal journey. To be an NSCC alumni, it is a proud feeling knowing that this is probably one of the biggest schools in the country that is highly recognized for creating tradespeople. As a proud NSCC alumni, I am happy to share advice with new graduates as well as those currently working in the trades field. Looking back at a time younger in my life, ready to graduate, I would tell myself to continue to push yourself. There's many times where I doubted my abilities as a student, and to get to the moment of a two-time NSCC alumni achieving honors both times, that was all because I worked hard and I put my head inside those books. So I would tell myself school's not a joke and to stay with it. Some of the advice that I would share to graduates in any field, no matter what their career path is don't be afraid of hard work. Things will get tough. And also don't be too shy to ask questions. There's been way too many times where an experienced person would rather you ask them that 21st question instead of picking up after your mistake. As an apprentice, there's going to be countless times where you're asked to push yourself outside of your comfort zone. This isn't to make you look bad, this is to get the best out of you. There's opportunities where you can learn from a failure, and there's opportunities where you can stunt your own growth from not trying. No matter the situation, as long as you feel safe and comfortable, you should try. If there is any skills that I could advise you to work on outside of your day-to-day trades life, work on your soft skills, communication, your organization, your planning. Having skills outside of your trade will allow you to do things that you might not even know you want to do. Someday you might run your own crew, someday you might run your own business. Always do your best and maintain a positive attitude. I've had instructors, coaches, supervisors all say the same thing. I would rather have the person who can't weld the greatest but has the best attitude over the better welder and the poor attitude. In the end, the poor attitude weighs us all down. I can't promise these tips will make you stand out in a crowded field, but so far it's worked for me. I started the program not grinding a single piece of metal, never welding a piece of metal. Now, I'm part of a team that's building the next fleet of the Royal Canadian Navy.